Hello everyone, welcome back to WsCube. In our previous session, we learned about arithmetic and comparison operators. Today, we will be talking about logical operators.
Also, if you want to become a successful data analyst and you want to learn from our industrial experts, then you may call on the number given below, or you can also click on the link given in our description. Not just that, with our every batch, you will be getting 2 demo classes for free. So let's get started, guys.
First of all, let's understand what are logical operators. Logical operators are those kinds of operators which uses logic in a program. Let's see, we have three operators over here, that is AND, OR and NOT. AND operator gives us true if both the conditions that we have given are satisfied. Whatever two conditions that we have given, if they are satisfied, it gives us true. Okay. Second is we have OR operator. OR gives us true if either one of the operands is true. Whatever conditions that we have provided, if any one of them condition also satisfied, then too it will give us true. Third is NOT. NOT gives us the reverse of both of these operators. So if AND is giving us true and we have used NOT with it, then it will give us false. Similarly, if OR is giving us false, but at the same time if we have used NOT with it, then it will give us true. This is what AND, OR and NOT do. So let's understand it with the help of an example over here. So first of all, we will be talking about AND operators. So I'll be considering a case of a variable a is equals to 25. So I'll be printing over here that a should be greater than, let's say, 12 and a should be smaller than 35. Now let's run and see what happens. It gives us true. Why? Because here a is satisfying both the conditions, that a is also greater than 12 and at the same time a is also smaller than 35. Let's consider a case where a is not satisfying any one of the conditions. So let's take an example that I am writing 45 over here. So 45 here is satisfying that a should be greater than 12, but it is not satisfying that a should be smaller than 35. So let's run and see. It gives us false. So if only one of the condition is satisfied, then too it will give us false. So AND will only give us true if it satisfies both the conditions. Now let's consider a case of OR operator. For OR, again I am using 25 as a variable. So I'm gonna print over here that a should be greater than 12. And because we are using OR operator, I will use a OR in between, that a should be smaller than 14. Now, what is happening over here? The a is satisfying only one of the condition, that a is greater than 12. A is not smaller than 14, but it is greater than 12. So this was our OR operator, where even if one of the condition is also satisfied, it gives us true. Now let's talk about our NOT operator. So here again I am taking an example, a is equals to 25. So I'm gonna print NOT. And here I will be using our AND condition, because what NOT does, it reverses the output for AND and reverses the output for OR. So let's see, I'm writing a is greater than 12 and a is smaller than 35. Yes, it is satisfying both the condition, not considering the NOT part, but this part is satisfying both the conditions. So according to AND, it should give us true. But because we have used NOT over here, that means it will give us false. Right? If at the same time I would have written over here 26, that a should be greater than 26 and a should be smaller than 35, it would have given me true, because it is not satisfying. AND means that it should satisfy both the conditions. So it is not satisfying both the condition. It would have given false for only AND part of it. But because we have used NOT over here, it is giving us true. So guys, these were our three logical operators. I hope you have no doubts and no questions. In our next session, we will be talking about assignment operators. So stay connected and I'll see you in the next session.